mastering either and neither in response to which questions. Hello, English learners. Welcome to another engaging lesson on conversational English. Today, we're going to dive into the world of which questions and, specifically, how to use either and neither in your responses. These are powerful words that can make your English sound more natural and fluent, so let's get started. Which is a question word we use when we want to know specific information about a choice from a limited set of alternatives. For instance, if you're at an ice cream shop that only sells vanilla and chocolate ice cream, someone might ask you, which flavor do you prefer? When answering these questions, you often respond with your choice. However, what if you don't have a preference, or if you dislike both options? That's where either and neither come in. The word either indicates a lack of preference between two choices. In response to a which question, you can use either to express that you're okay with both options. For example, if someone asks you, which do you want to do, go to the park or visit the museum, and you have no preference, you can respond, I'm okay with either. It means you're fine with both going to the park or visiting the museum. On the other hand, neither indicates a dislike for both options. In response to a which question, you can use neither to express that you don't want either of the options. For example, if someone asks you, which do you want to eat, pizza or pasta? And you don't want to eat either, you could respond, I don't want neither. It means you don't want to eat pizza or pasta. Let's practice this with a few examples. Question: which do you prefer, coffee or tea? I like either. You like both coffee and tea. I don't like neither. You don't like coffee or tea. Question: which would you like to visit, Paris or Rome? I'd love to visit either. You would love to visit both Paris and Rome. I'd rather not visit neither. You don't want to visit Paris or Rome. Remember, using either and neither can greatly enhance your conversational English, especially when you're undecided or indifferent about the options presented to you. That wraps up our lesson on using either and neither to respond to which questions. Remember, either shows you are happy with both options, and neither shows you don't want any of the choices. Practice using these words in your daily conversations, and you'll soon be using them like a pro. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!